Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am right here with the update of Kling 3.0 release, but before that, let's start first with a disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, as cryptocurrency, blockchain is highly volatile and risky, so always spend wisely guys. As you can see here guys, I have here the Kling 3.0, the era of an AI director, which is coming soon by the way. And let me just read out a few details for you. If you want to sign up guys, just click this link right here and it will directly connect you with the account setup that you're looking for. So the Kling 3.0 model unifying world class 4K visuals, native audio, and multi-shot storyboarding into a single seamless creative engine. It has these features right here that are listed: enhanced audio generation, model expected to be able to create character specific voice referencing integrated in the video generation, multi-shot narratives, a unified storyboard workflow that generates cinematic sequences in a single pass. Kling 3.0 expected to handle camera transitions and shot reverse shot dialogue patterns automatically. Directorial physics, advanced simulation of fluid dynamics, gravity, and complex object interactions. And also native 4K cinematic workflow, and it is also one of the most important feature is ultra high definition output with native text rendering up to 4K. So, the next frontier, Kling 3.0. It has long format videos with extended cinematic pacing. Kling 3.0 is rumored to support native generations up to 15 seconds. These enable creators to move from 5-second clips to fuller narrative arcs. Of course, it also has absolute subject consistency, utilizing an extended context window. One 2.6 generates up to 15 seconds of video without improved temporal degradation, keeping objects stable over time. And then also, intelligent scene reasoning. New model is expected to offer reasoning based editing, allowing you to modify videos through natural language. So if you want to join the waitlist, just click this link right here, guys. So for our community right now, we also have over 15 million users. And if you want to join our community, just click this link right here. Join a global creative network where people generate AI images, share ideas, and inspire each other every day. If you want to read our some of the reviews, these are listed right here. You can just go to our website and then you can read some of those. So, coming soon in Higgs Field, enter the new era Kling AI creative engine. Lock your characters, props, and voices using the new Elements 3.0 video reference system. Again, if you want to join the waitlist, guys, don't forget to click this link right here so you also will keep updated when it comes to the release of Kling 3.0. So let's move on, of course, with the expectations that we will have in release of Kling 3.0. So while Kling 3.0 has not been released yet, current signal suggests it marks the next major step toward professional AI video generation. Kling 3.0 is expected to evolve into a production-ready video system that brings generation, transformation, and consistency into a unified workflow. So if you want to generate, guys, just click it right here. So as of now, we only have Kling 2.6 as of the moment, but once Kling 3.0 was released, it will automatically be registered to one of these websites and you can just click it right here so you can access these specific features. So Kling 3.0, what the unified model signals for the next phase of AI video and what to possibly expect. Community discussion, analysis, early signals, and technical possible review. And important disclaimer, Kling 3.0 has not been officially released yet. This post is based on publicly available updates, launch patterns, and community analysis. Everything points to Kling 3.0 launching soon. Observed platform behavior and feature alignment indicate that Kling Video 3.0 is moving toward a single, tightly integrated video generation architecture. Instead of maintaining parallel tools or segmented model lines, Kling appears to be converging its core video capabilities into a unified system where generation and transformation handling are managed within one cohesive workflow. Platforms like Higgsfield provide access to the full range of current Kling models, including Kling 2.6, Kling 01, and motion control features. So, signals pointing toward a unified Kling 3 video model. Mudi- Multiple public signals suggest that Kling 3 Video 3.0 is designed as an end-to-end AI video generation platform rather than a collection of separate tools. And also, for the range of workflows, a shift toward tighter integration between different video creation stages rather than isolated generation steps. So, it will have reduced separation between initial video creation, transformation, and refinement workflows, increasing overlap between generation, continuity control, and scene level adjustments, movement toward a more cohesive end-to-end creative process or fragmented tools, and also longer formats. Another clear trend is the shift away from short output towards generations that sustain continuity over longer time spans. Kling's recent direction suggests an emphasis on sequences that preserve visual logic and character identity across extended duration, minimizing the need for external assembly or corrective post-processing. Kling 3.0 is expected by users to maintain temporal coherence, visual stability, and character consistency. Structured multi-scene generation. Instead of producing isolated video clips, Kling is evolving towards structured, multi-shot sequences where camera structure, pacing, and scene flow appear to be increasingly guided by prompt-level intent rather than manual editing. This positions Kling as a cinematic AI video tool, bridging the gap between prompt-based generation and traditional non-linear video editing. So, for subject consistency, maintaining stable subjects over time remains a central challenge for generative video systems, and recent Kling development suggests increased attention to this area. By enabling persistent visual traits across shots and camera movement, the model appears to be moving toward more reliable continuity in longer narrative-driven sequences. Taken together, these signals strongly suggest that Kling Video 3.0 represents a consolidation milestone, marking a shift toward a production-ready AI video system rather than an experimental generational model. So, mapping existing Kling releases to Kling 3.0 capabilities. When recent Kling updates are analyzed together, a clear technical progression emerges. Kling 2.6 focused on native audio generation, addressing long-standing issues with lip sync accuracy and ambient sound effects, a critical step for integrated video and audio workflows. Next, Kling O1 or Omni expanded multimodal reasoning, improving character consistency, scene continuity, and what is often described as director memory in AI video generation. Motion control updates demonstrated Kling's ability to handle complex physics, camera movement, and character motion for extended durations in a single generation. Individually, these updates appear incremental. Collectively, they form the technical foundation of Kling Video 3.0. So, what do we possibly expect from Kling 3.0? All currently available Kling models like Kling O1, Kling 2.6, and Kling Motion Control are already usable at Higgsfield, allowing creators to experiment with existing workflows while anticipating how these features may evolve in Kling 3.0. Also, for native high 4K and high frame rate AI video, while current versions support 1080p output, Kling 3.0 is expected to introduce native 4K video generation, potentially with higher frame rate options such as 60 FPS. This would significantly expand Kling's use cases into professional video production, advertising, and broadcast quality content. So for regional in painting and AI video editing, one of the most anticipated features is regional in painting, allowing creators to modify specific areas of video without regenerating the entire clip. This capability would position Kling 3.0 as both an AI video generator and an AI video editing tool, dramatically improving iteration speed and creative control. Improved physics and character interaction. Despite progress, current AI video models still struggle with sustained physical interaction. Kling 3.0 is expected to improve character interaction, object handling, cloth simulation, and facial animation, addressing common visual artifacts that appear when characters touch or interact closely. Longer AI video generation durations. Kling 3.0 is expected to extend standard generation durations. Outputs in the 30 to even 60-second range would reinforce Kling's strength in social media, storytelling, and educational content creation. So, what the introduction of Kling 3.0 will mean for AI video generation? A step toward professional grade AI video creation. From a broader industry perspective, the trajectory of Kling Video 3.0 reflects a larger shift in how AI video tools are evaluated and adopted. Early generation of AI video models were often judged primarily based on their visual novelty or short form spectacle. Today, the conversation has clearly moved toward production, reliability, workflow efficiency, and of course, narrative coherence. Kling's development path appears closely aligned with this shift in creator expectations. What stands out is that Kling 3.0 is not framed as a niche or experimental model but as a foundation for professional grade AI video creation. The emphasis on unified workflows, longer generation durations, and cinematic structures suggests that Kling is aiming to reduce the gap between generative models and traditional production pipelines. This is particularly relevant for solo creators, small studios, and marketing teams that want high quality output without scaling human resources. And also, faster creative iteration speed. Another important implication is the potential impact on creative iteration speed. Features such as structured multi-shot generation point toward a future where AI video creation becomes less repeated, full regenerations, and about more controlled refinement. For platforms and ecosystems built around AI creation tools, the arrival of Kling 3.0 could also act as a catalyst. A unified production-oriented video model and enables tighter integration, faster experimentations, and more predictable outputs, all of which are critical for scaling creator communities and professional use cases. This is one of the reasons why Kling updates tend to attract significant attention across creator forums and AI video discussions. So that's it for now, guys. If you want to try or even log in or even sign up, or if you want to join our community, just click this button right here so you can be updated about the official release of Kling 3.0, as this is a very promising AI generative tool. So with that, guys, that's it for our video from now. This is Kling 3.0 and goodbye.